welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Kawasaki W230. Known for its sleek design and impressive performance, this motorcycle is set to make waves in the biking community. Let's explore what makes the W230 a must-have for enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Kawasaki W230 boasts a striking design that merges modern aesthetics with classic motorcycle elements. Its streamlined silhouette, paired with bold color options, ensures that it turns heads wherever it goes. The new LED headlights not only enhance visibility but also add a futuristic touch. The ergonomically designed seat provides comfort for both rider and passenger, making long rides a pleasure. Engine and performance. At the heart of the W230 lies a robust 650cc parallel twin engine. This powerhouse delivers a thrilling 70 horsepower, ensuring ample power for city commuting and highway cruising. The improved throttle response and smooth gear transitions make it a joy to ride. With a top speed of around 120 mph, the W230 offers an exhilarating experience for adventure seekers. But technology and features. Kawasaki has integrated cutting-edge technology into the W230. The bike features a full-color TFT display that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and navigation. Advanced ABS brakes enhance safety, while optional traction control offers added confidence in various riding conditions. Plus, the integrated smartphone connectivity allows riders to access navigation and music without taking their eyes off the road. Handling and comfort. One of the standout features of the W230 is its handling. The lightweight chassis and well-balanced frame make it incredibly maneuverable, perfect for navigating tight city streets or winding country roads. The adjustable suspension system ensures a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections along the way. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the W230 offers comfort and stability. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki W230 is a remarkable blend of style, performance, and technology. With its impressive engine, sleek design, and advanced features, it's sure to appeal to a wide range of riders. If you're in the market for a new motorcycle, the W230 deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the W230. Thanks for watching, and ride safe. Thanks for joining BikeZone.